Crack the code to unbeatable deals. How your VIN number can save you $. In today's digital age, checking the VIN number of a car has never been easier or more convenient. With just a few clicks, you can access valuable information about a vehicle's history and condition. The option to check VIN numbers online has gained popularity among car buyers and sellers alike due to its simplicity and reliability. By conducting a VIN check online, you can verify important details such as the vehicle's ownership history, accident records, mileage accuracy, and much more. This allows you to make an informed decision before purchasing a used car. Additionally, some websites offer discounted pricing for their VIN check services, making it even more affordable for individuals seeking to protect themselves from hidden issues that may exist with a particular vehicle. Therefore, whether you are planning to buy or sell a car, taking advantage of the convenience and affordability of online VIN checks is highly recommended. It not only provides peace of mind but also helps ensure that you are investing in a reliable and safe vehicle. Share, like, subscribe, comment below. Make sure that you visit the site in the description for discounted vehicle VIN checks.